Today we will talk about a crucial topic: how to spot and avoid fake and low quality hair extension. Nobody wants a hair extension disaster, right? So let's dive into some simple tips to ensure you are rocking only the finest look. Hi guys, Justin is here, and now let's start with the first tip. First thing first, let's talk about texture. High quality hair extensions should feel soft and silky, just like your own dress on a good hair day. If it feels like rough, tangled, or unnatural shiny, those might be red flags. Run your finger through the extension. If they snag or feel like straw, it's time to say goodbye. Secondly, look at the ends. The ends of your extension spill the beans on their qualities. Real hair has a natural thickness that tapes towards the end, just like your own lovely locks. If the ends seem over thick, burnt, or just plain off, it's a sign you might be dealing with fake or low quality extension. We want that natural flow, not broomstick effect. Color consistency is key. Matching color is essential, and this goes beyond just your outfits. High quality extension should have consistent color from tops to bottom. If you notice weird color variations or two-toned effect, it might be a sign of poor quality dye, or worse, a mix of synthetic fibers. Thick though paper opens. The burn test. Here's a little trick. The burn test. Snip a small piece of extension and set it on fire. Safely, of course. Real human hair will burn and smell like your hair does when you accidentally burn it with hot tool. If it turns into a plastic-like ball or smells funky, you got synthetic extension on your hands. Check reviews and reputations. Before hitting that purchase button, do a quick online sessions. Check reviews, rating, and the reputation of the brand or the seller. If others have had bad experience, they will spill the tea. A trustworthy seller will have happy customers singing their praise. Armed with these tips, you are ready to navigate the world of extension like a pro. Don't forget to share your own experience in comments, and let's keep each other looking fabulous. Until next time, stay gorgeous. Thank you, and see you again.